Hey guys, and welcome back to another TeckWrapCraft video. For today's project, we will be making this cute binder with customized pockets, perfect for cash stuffing using TeckWrapCraft vinyls. For the binder cover, I will be using this shimmer white TeckWrap vinyl. This vinyl has smooth and shimmery surface and can be easily transferred from surface to surface. This is perfect for mugs, cups, glasses, or even binders with faux leather surfaces. So for the binder pockets, I'm going to customize it using vinyl from the 001 series. I have here this craft vinyl sheets pack, and it includes 21 pieces of glossy TeckWrap vinyls. I'll be using this powder blue color for this project. We will be decorating this pastel yellow binder in A6 size, and it has this faux leather texture. I will also be using these TeckWrap weeding and burnishing tools for this project. All TeckWrap products used in this video will be linked in the description box below. To begin, I'll be removing these pockets first from my binder. Then I'll measure the width and height of this binder to set my design. Then I'm placing my vinyls on my cutting mat. And I will be removing the protective layer on top before loading to my cutting machine. Now my design is done cutting, I will remove the negative vinyl out slowly and carefully. Then time to weed these small unwanted vinyls out from my design. I'm going to remove this vinyl with custom tacks from my mat and will cut it individually to make it easier to transfer later on. Then I will set it aside for now as I work with the binder cover first. So I'm placing my transfer tape on top of this binder cover design. I'm using this TeckWrap matte transfer tape for both kinds of vinyl. Then I'm burnishing it with my TeckWrap squeegee. Remove the design from the mat and flip it over to burnish the back part. Then I'm slowly removing the backing paper. I'll be using this parchment paper to help me transfer the design cover to the binder. So here you can see how the parchment paper plays a big part in transferring a large design to a surface. You can adjust the placement first, move it around as you want. Then when you're happy with the placement, slowly peel off the parchment paper. Press down the vinyl using your fingers. And do this carefully as you cover the whole binder. Then burnish it and remove the transfer tape. Now we are going to place this custom text on these binder pockets one by one. I'm still using the matte transfer tape for this glossy vinyl. Burnish both sides, then remove the backing paper. Place the design on top of the binder pockets as center as possible and burnish it again. Then slowly remove the transfer tape. Then do the same with the other pockets. Now that all our binder pockets are done, let's place it again inside our binder. And we're done! You can also use this plastic cover to protect your binder from dirt. If you enjoyed watching this video, please leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We hope to see you in our other videos. Bye!